Welcome to Police Hunt, where we break down the most intense, unscripted moments in law enforcement, frame by frame. What starts as a routine traffic stop near a McDonald's quickly unravels into something no officer on shift ever wants to face. The suspect isn't running yet, but something's off. Watch his body language, watch his hands.
He's looking down a little. What are you doing? You in park? Is this your track?
Yes, sir.
How long you been having it? Since how long?
2018.
All right, you got driver's license on you, buddy? Where you headed to?
Right now,
What?
I'm gonna go get a hotel.
Oh, all right, where at?
I'm not sure yet. Well, I was gonna take some of my stuff.
Okay. You got any weapons in here, brother?
Yes.
Okay. Is that an ankle monitor?
Yes, sir. It is. GPS mom out on blind.
What are you doing on your phone?
I was gonna show you some pictures of the truck when I
Of what?
first got it. The vehicle when I first got it.
Oh, don't worry about it, man. Let's get that ID.
Oh,
No, yeah, you're fine. You don't have any ID on you? Here, why don't you do me a favor? Take off your seatbelt and step out. Did you just hear me? Look at me. Take off your seatbelt.
Are you requesting me?
I'm telling you to take off your seatbelt and step out. Why don't we do this? Put your hands. All right. Partner, are you good? God damn it. Where are you hit? He's down. He's down.
Femur! What?
Hey, hey!
Where you hit? Where you hit? Femur! Hit him in the back of my truck! No!
An officer down, a suspect cornered, and a team that held it together under the most unimaginable pressure. That is the reality of the job, stripped of Hollywood and left completely raw. What you just witnessed wasn't a chase, it was survival. No doors slamming, no foot chase through alleyways. This one starts on two wheels and that changes everything. A motorcycle, open roads, and a rider who thinks speed is his way out. Officers are already on the radio, plate number logged. Direction confirmed, Henry Adams 696, turning on 35. He lost it, laid it down, got thrown from the bike. That's the call no one wants to make and the outcome no pursuit wants. The rider is down, not running anymore. Now the job completely shifts from containment to care. Officers approach with hands still up, instincts still hot, but listen to that exchange. I can't move, my back's broke. I don't have a license. I'd have written you a ticket, brother. 8 words that say everything. A felony charge, a wrecked bike, and a possible spinal injury, all to avoid a traffic citation. The officer who said that wasn't angry. He was tired. Tired of watching people destroy their own lives in 30 seconds of bad judgment. EMS inbound, suspect stabilized, scene controlled. Not every pursuit ends in cuffs on pavement. Some end in ambulances and hard lessons. If this one hit close to home, drop your thoughts below, hit like and subscribe, because real pursuit breakdowns don't get more raw than this. It doesn't begin with screeching tires or gunfire. It begins
fucking car!
Crawl out of the fucking door! Here, I got it.
Hold on. Stop. I got it.
Go turn that off.
Turn that siren off.
And make sure they're okay in that truck.
Keep your hands out, dude. Keep your hands out. What? Get it over there.
Punch up, Brad.
It's right, Fred. All right. Get out of the car. Face down. Face down. Get your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back, dude. Watch the blood. Yeah, you're bleeding? Yeah. What? In the glass.
Anything but routine from the first word spoken. 2 suspects, 1 crash, 0 hesitation from the officers who held it together. That's the job. A fleeing vehicle already drawing units from multiple counties, and it hasn't even gotten dangerous yet. Officers are coordinating fast, positions being called out across the radio like chess pieces on a moving board. But this suspect isn't playing by any predictable rules. He's weaving, braking hard, locking up, and then the unthinkable, he crosses into oncoming traffic. Watch out, 520, he's coming right at you. A sideswipe. Another unit nearly clipped. At highway speeds, that's not reckless, that's attempted homicide on a badge. And this chase is only just beginning. Cross-state authority granted, the net is closing, or is it?
Watch out, 520, he's coming right at you. Leave your sideswipe the car, Mike. Leave your sideswipe the car now. Think about hitting 520's car.
You got authority now to continue into Illinois until they can take over.
2-3's going flat. I think you might be about to bail around here. Let's see.
439, but I'm Davis, 54 to 7. And 443, stop 6 to 7.
Fast and 6, 430, big safe beat. Say 520. Going off-road again towards the church at 7.
Off-road at 7.
Just went through a fence in the parking lot of Big Church.
443 to fence at the church.
He's going towards the con, Going towards
the con.
Going towards WKC, DC.
And 4 head towards WKC. Between the church and I'm going forward.
64, must go get pursued and hit another vehicle.
And 4.
We're gonna go back towards Alpha Park. Back towards the city. Eastbound Alpha Park. Traffic's water. Speed to right.
I got you, Steve. Get back.
Off the interstate, through a field, back on. Off again, this suspect is doing everything tactically wrong and somehow still moving. Officers are tracking every turn in real time. Fields, fences, church parking lots. The guy just drove through a church fence. Meanwhile, stop sticks are being deployed at the 7.2 marker. Marshall County is being scrambled to the intersection, and the command chain is deciding second by second whether to terminate or push. Here's the brutal calculation officers face. Every mile of pursuit is another mile of public exposure. Every field crossing is one ditch away from a rollover. Do you keep the pressure on or trust the geography to do the work?
Checking out. Major One Jackson Street, going down the center line. 4, going down to mileage.
I'm gonna 71,000 miles.
Coming ahead of me. I'll let you know. Major One over Bill overpass. Speeds are 70.
64, get out.
your driver, stop procedures. 64 McCrack is advising you if we terminate, they will terminate as well. Yes, we're entering the vehicle on the Beltline overpass. Copy that vehicle, start surveying the Beltline line. Hey, so we're stopped, looks like we're stopped here, 1045, in front of the Old Economy Inn on the Beltline. 10-4, Old Economy Beltline, 1045.
On your knees now!
I got cuffs.
On your knees!
On your knees.
Hands on your head!
Hey, hold it.
On the stomach!
I got it. Here you go. Is anybody else in the truck? Is anybody else in the truck? Hey, has anybody checked on the person yet? You do? Well,
Call your girlfriend too, but we'll make all those
okay?
arrangements. I just want to know. We got to get a picture.
Nah, 46, mate. Yeah.
Road here to the right, I got my emergency line taking you with me.
Belmont Overpass Beltline screech it's over. After miles of interstate, 2 counties, off-road sprints, and at least 2 innocent vehicles hit, the suspect is on his knees, hands on his head, telling officers the drugs aren't his and the truck might be stolen. Classic the officers. Calm, coordinated, already logging charges and calling for blood test warrants before the dust settles. That's what disciplined pursuit management looks like. If this multi-county breakdown had your heart racing, hit like, tell us in the comments which moment you thought he'd actually get away, and subscribe for more real pursuit analysis unfiltered.